آخه من چه کارم؟ من کی هستم؟
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack. I feel sad for them.
Generation.
Dire's middle tower is under attack. It has no arms to defend itself.
Do you get off?
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. That's
That's a two-for.
Your form returns from whence it came.
the Radiant should really do something about that middle tower. Dire structures are fortified. That's what that wispy glow around the tower means. By the gods, the Dire's bottom tower doesn't even have arms. The Radiant should really do something about it.
That's a two-for.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack.
Timber!
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. That's not gonna hold. Radiant's middle tower has fallen.
Gott den Himmel!
Dire's bottom tower is under attack. Run, little bottom tower.
That's a two-for.
By the gods. Dire's middle tower is under attack. It has no arms to defend itself.
Oh, that's nice.
Dire's top tower. The Radiant's bottom tower has seen better days. Radiant's middle tower is under attack. That's not gonna hold.
The square root of the answer! Gott den Himmel! That's a two-for.
Feed the tree.
Not mine.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. That means you can't hurt him right now. The Dire's top tower is doing its best, but it doesn't look good. The Radiant should really do something about that middle tower.
I usually like my trees to myself.
Dire's top tower is under attack. Oh, that's got to hurt. Radiant's middle tower is under attack. That's not gonna hold.
The square root of the answer!
Make a fire. Come, come.
Radiant should. It has no arms to defend its tower has fallen. Timber! Radiant's bottom tower has seen better days. Radiant's bottom tower is under attack.
Boostity boost.
By my shaggy bark.
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom barracks are under attack. Look out, bottom barracks. Radiant's bottom barracks have fallen. Sayonara. Radiant's middle tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom barracks have fallen. Gonna hold. Radiant structures are fortified. Don't waste time hitting them.
Warriors of the wood.
Radiant's middle tower has fallen. As all towers must. Radiant's top tower has fallen.
Of our kind. Your destination and the
Impressive. The Radiant should really do something about that middle tower. Radiant's middle tower is under attack. That's not gonna hold.
Uproot and after them.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack. By the gods, the Dire's bottom tower doesn't even have arms to defend itself. What a brave tower. Radiant's middle barracks are under attack.
Caught you in your stuff.
It is my duty to inform you that Radiant's middle barracks are under attack. Fortified. Booyah. Radiant's middle barracks are under attack. They should retreat. Oh, wait. They don't have legs.
It's not even my birthday.
Radiant's middle barracks are under attack.
That's a two-fun.
Test that one.
And your spark.
Humanity. 3 dudes? Impossible.
Dire's middle tower is under attack. Dire's bottom tower has fallen. Dire's middle tower is under attack. It has no arms to defend itself. Dire has fortified its structures. Radiant structures are fortified. Don't waste time hitting them. Dire's bottom barracks better look out.
That's a two-fun.
Do not return. Pull roots and run.
Radiant's ancient is under attack. We'll see how wailing they'll be with a dead ancient.